So today's video caps the end of a shitty week. You know, as this series piles up and, you know, I'm not exactly sure where this series is actually going to end. You know, the deadline is 90 days, 90 videos in 90 days, but I would like to expand it a little bit further. But as, you know, like for instance, this week was just a hell week for me, you know, very humbling because, you know, I've been dealing with a lot, you know, lack of motivation, frustration, just an all around shitty week, you know. I was just grooving, had my momentum going, you know, cranking out these videos, getting my job done, but then disruptors come up and the ego creeps in, all of this stuff. And you realize it's basically you versus yourself at the end of the day. You know, there's nobody that you can blame. You are the CEO, right? You're running shit. So everything that goes wrong is your fault. So me having to come to terms with that, I'm angry at myself because I'm like, yo, motherfucker, do your job. All right. You got one job to do and you got to get it done. Can't turn and look at an employee or a collaborator and be like, yo, dog, you fucking up. I have to look at myself in the mirror and be like, yo, sees you fucking up. And that gut check is, you know, that gut check is what's like, holy shit. It's just been me all along, you know, just dealing with just a lot of frustration lately. So, next week, I'm looking to have a better and stronger week, you know, try to get more things done and accomplished because at the end of each month, I kind of look at myself and look at the performance that I've been doing for the past month. And September has been a little shaky for me. And you can tell by the content as well, you know, when things aren't going right, the content isn't right. Not that I'm not happy with what I've been producing, but I'm looking at it like, yo, you can do better and you should be doing better. So it's not fair to me, you know, and it's not fair to you, the viewer, you know, for my lack of performance. So I am the athlete and the coach, you know, I am the CEO and I am the employee. So I have to make sure that all aspects and all parts of me get the job done. So enough of me just, you know, crying a river on these videos or in this video. Let me just get shit done, right? Yeah, anyways, I'll holler at you guys. Peace.